Okay, so between R2 and R3, okay, so there was a mistake here. Authentication should be checked rather than paired. So let's check again S001. Interface S001. So PPP authentication supposed to be checked. Okay, now it's working. Right, I made a mistake earlier. Alright, so now R2 and R3 is working. Okay, so now let's move on to the last part between R1 and R3. Okay, so let's solve the local PPP first. Okay, let's look at R1. Okay, show run. Do we have R3's information? We don't have username R3 yet, so this is time to create. Username R3 password Cisco. Or you can use class. Okay, and then sorry, you can use secret Cisco password Cisco. Okay, now we have R3 information. Save remote. Okay, so in here the main interface here is S001. Okay, so let's check if the IP is correct. 001 IP is correct. 9. Okay, again here the authentication is wrong. So interface SE001 PPP authentication check. Okay, clock rate remain the same, no shut. Okay, so let's bring up R3 now. Okay, so R3. Okay, do show run. Okay, do we have any R1 password? Yes, we have. Username and password is correct. So the S000 interface. Okay, there is no authentication here. IP address is correct. Okay, so interface SE000. Okay, encapsulation PPP authentication check. Okay, no shut. Okay, now it should bring up the interface. Okay, let's double check. Will show IP is brief. Okay, so all is up. Okay, as of now, what we can see is all layer 2 between R1, R2 and R3 is already up. Okay, so let's verify our routing table because why layer 2 is done. Okay, so let's check at layer 3 whether our routing is okay. So do show IP route. I'm not sure whether there is a wrong configuration in the OSPF. This is how we check. Okay, so in R3, can I see R3? So R3, I cannot see my local. Yeah, we cannot see this one yet. Okay. So this is weird, because why you cannot see the local one? First, let's check. Show IP this brief. Okay, up. Right. Show run. Let's look at our SPF. SPF here looks fine. 10. So 1 to 8 will start from 1 to 9, correct? Okay, so let's do a pin test first. Okay, your gateway first. R3. So it's 1 to 9. Okay, gateway was fine. Okay. Okay, so from here to here is already okay. So let's see this R1 part. Okay, we will show IP route. Okay, so let's look back here. Okay, so we are done here. Verify the IP part. Okay, check IP address against the interface. Should the correct interface connect the IP address overlap on the wrong interface subnet. Wrong subnet. Okay, so set the host or broadcast address. So let's check one by one here. Okay. Okay, so let's think from here first. 10.0.0.1. Okay. No issue connectivity here. Right. Let's try pin 1 to 9. Okay, see? You know that something's going on here. Okay, let's check the OSPF in R1 whether it's correct or not. Okay, this is correct. Network here. Zero 248. The IP address here is wrong. It's supposed to be 252. Okay, so R1 interface. It's actually this one is wrong. Interface SE000. Let's check back at the yeah, okay. So here you need to do IP address 172.16.0.1 255.255.255. The subnet mask was wrong. Okay, there. Okay, so now it's better. We'll show IP route. Okay. Alright, let's check one by one. Okay, so this was 252. This is wrong. Yeah. So now you show run. Okay, so 252. Okay, alright. So let's check the rest. R2. Let's run again. 252, 252. 3, correct. Correct. SF interface G, deformation originate. Okay, so we will show IP route. Show IP route. Okay, so you still can't see the R3 network, this network. Okay, so let's look at R3. Okay, this is wrong. 1 to 8 actually. Okay, let's look back the table here. 1 to 8 and 1 to 8. Okay, interface G0 1 request 110.0.0.9.255.255.255.8. Okay, this one. Let's see the 128. Okay, 4.8. Okay, so let's do show IP route. Okay, so now it's better. Okay, so now we try from PC1 to PC3. To pick again. Okay, now it is successful. Okay, so with that, we have make sure that PC1 can reach PC3. Okay, this internet network is already working. We haven't checked going up yet. Okay, so let's check R2. Okay, do we have any default route? Okay, so let's do show run. Yes, we do have a default route here. Means that we can go out there. Okay, let's look at R1 again. Check our routing, do a show IP route. Okay, so but we don't have the 000 here yet. Okay, so we need to force the default information originate again. If not, from this segment you will not be able to ping the web server. There is no default right here. Okay, let's see in R2 we have the information here. So 10, 0, 10.0. Okay, let's enforce it again. T router OSPF one default information origin. So let's enforce it again. To make it converge fast, I can always shut the interface. Shut. So bring that back again so that the OSPF kicks in. Okay, so this one interface SE 0, 0, 1, shut, no shut. Okay, we gotta wait for a while so that the OSPF will load. No show. Sorry. No show IP route. Okay. And again, the default information origin is not there. Okay, so let's continue troubleshooting. Okay. For connectivity, we're tracing the path from PC1 to web server. Okay, let's do a trace route to see where our packet stops. Okay, so the IP is web server. Okay, this route will tell us where our packet stops. Okay, so the packet reach here, and then it doesn't know where to route the packet. Okay, so let's check again. So request timeout. Let's check again. What I sense is the oh, okay, what I sense is the packet doesn't go up. So ah 206.1. So let's check the interface, is it correct or not? This is R2. Let's check in R3. I think the thing is in R3. Sorry, R2. Okay, so there is no IP in R2, that's why. Okay, so let's solve the last part. Okay, config interface G01. Okay, IP address for 09.165.200.161.255.255.254. Okay, so no shut. Okay. Okay, so in here, the connection to ISP is not serial, unlike the configuring PPP exercises. Okay, so let's look at our do show IP route. Let's check our routing. Yeah, now it's better. Okay, so you can see now, we did not have this information, the static route. Okay, so let's check in R1. Okay, refresh our routing table. Okay, much better with this one. R3. Okay, so we show IP route. Okay, so it's better. So let's do a ping at the trace route. Okay, let's do a trace it. Okay, so trace complete, it shows that we reach. Okay, we can do a simple ping if you want. PCA, okay, nice. We respond. PC3. 219.165.200. 200.2. Okay, so we receive a response. Okay, so in that case, if you look at the exercise, we have already completed everything. Okay, so let's recap. In this exercise, if you can do troubleshooting, means that you understand the basic concept. Okay, so if you look at the error here, it's not only at the PPP itself. So it's actually at the wrong interface, the wrong IP address. Those are common. Okay, so in here, it did not test your layer 3 skills because the configuration for OSPF was already okay. Right, so my approach was a bit different. I did not follow exactly this step. What I did was I do from link by link. Okay, I started with R1 and R2 first. I look at from layer 1 until layer 3. Okay, R2 and R3, and then R1 to R3. Okay, alright, so that's all for this lab.